Hello everyone. Know how to reset Windows 10 or how to format a laptop of Windows 11 or Windows 10. It's a pretty straightforward process and you just need to do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. So once you click on settings, a new window will appear where you have system devices. Look for the last option which says update and security. So I'll click on that. Now here, you will have many options: troubleshoot, recovery, activation, and here we need to go to this recovery option. So once I'll click on recovery, here you will find reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. Now, please make sure you watch the whole video because later part is also very important. So here, this lets you choose whether you to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstall Windows. So I'll click on Get Started. And here, once we do that, a new window will appear. Choose an option, Keep My Files, and remove everything. So if you do not have important files, then I would recommend to select Remove Everything. Or if you wish to select Keep My Files, then you can select it. Any which ways, whatever the apps you had installed, that will be removed. However, the files which is there, that will be saved. So I'll click on Keep My Files, and it says this won't take long. And here, how you would like to reinstall Windows. So if you're using a laptop and you know that there is a copy of Windows 10 or Windows 11 is already there, and you can reinstall or reset it, then I would recommend to select Local Reinstall. If you're not sure, or if this local reinstall is not working, then you can select Cloud Download and reinstall Windows. Once you select that, 4 to 5 GB of data will be required. And once you select it, you just need to click on Next, and you don't have to make any changes. And again, you need to click on Next. And please make sure if you're using a laptop, then you just need to plug in the charger. And once you do that, again, you need to click on Next, and your computer will restart several times, and it will download the Windows 11 or Windows 10, and then it will format and reset your computer. You can follow very easy online instructions, then you can simply format your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.